State's health department says the man, who was not vaccinated, did not seek medical care before his death. An official cause remains under investigation. A child who was also not vaccinated died last week in Texas after getting the disease. That marked the first measles death in a decade in the United States. Right now, there is one confirmed case here in Florida, a high school student at Miami's Palmetto Senior High. The most effective way to prevent measles, according to health officials, is the MMR vaccine. 2 doses are 97% effective. Wake News reporter Summer Senni is here with us in studio. So, Summer, do we know how many Southwest Floridians are actually vaccinated against the measles?
Claire, the percentages vary by each county, but overall, Lee, Collier, and Charlotte counties saw vaccination rates drop between 2021 and 2023, which is when we have that last available data. Now, this data is collected by looking at immunization levels in kindergartners. So let's take a deeper dive into each of these counties. So here, this is Lee County. We're looking at the orange graph here. The blue graph is for the state. So in 2021, 94% of kindergartners were vaccinated compared to the state's percentage overall at 93%. Those numbers drop a bit. You can see here in this orange line, in 2022, 92% of kindergartners vaccinated, and for Lee County in 2023, 91% were vaccinated. Now going south to Collier County, we're taking a look in this chart at this blue line. So here in 2021, 93% of Collier County kindergartners were vaccinated, which is about the same percentage that the state had. But check this out, in 2022, look at that drop. You can see 90% of students vaccinated in Collier County in 2022, and then it drops again in 2023 with 88% of those students vaccinated. One more county to check out, Charlotte County, again looking at this blue line. Look at this, in 2021, 96% of kindergartners were vaccinated, and that percentage you can see way above the state. But then look at this blue graph drop in 2022 to 90% of kindergartners vaccinated, and it stays like that in 2023. Dr. Mary Beth Saunders with Lee Health explains why we've seen these drop-offs.
Well, unfortunately, since COVID, we've seen a significant decrease in the amount of childhood vaccination. And so with that decrease in vaccination of younger children, you're going to see one of the most vulnerable populations be at higher risk for measles. And so, this is very concerning.
Now, here in Florida, parents are allowed to exempt their children from immunizations by citing medical or religious